Welcome! In front of me I have Yamay SW329 smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smartband from the Android phone. First, we need to open the 9 Sport application on the phone that is paired with our band. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. After you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on this page find the Unpair button and tap on it to unpair the watch, and then tap on the confirm button to confirm it. As you can see, the device will disappear from the device page. You can close the app, and at this point the smartband is unpaired from your Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.